Good morning to you. I'm coming to you live from Sutro Park in San Francisco. Let's get a zoom in of the ocean. Look at that. Ocean Beach down below. And this is Sutro Park in San Francisco. Look at that beautiful view. Eric, your basketball evangelist. I do get around, don't I? Had breakfast at Denny's this morning, the sockeye salmon, and now overlooking Sutro Park, the amazing Pacific Ocean. Gonna get my hair cut at 9:30 a.m. in Daly City, Supercuts. This, I would call it one of the 7 wonders of the world. I think Grand Canyon's number 1. Let's make this number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, Eric, your basketball evangelist, with another YouTube first. You won't see this anywhere else on YouTube today, I guarantee. God bless all of you. Enjoy the splendor of God's glory today. Amen.